Hi guys, it's Michelle. This is just a super quick video for you with a kind of fairly straightforward eye makeup look, and yes, today I am a blondie, so this is just a very quick kind of get ready with me. So welcome to 2018. It's been a while since I have filmed anything. I had issues with my lights and whatever and bits and bobs, and anyhow, all sorted now. So I hope you enjoy this guys, and I hope you all had a really special Christmas and happy 2018. I hope this is going to be an amazing year for everybody. So if you want to see how I kind of do this to my face, then stay tuned, and here it comes. Mwah. So I've already kind of done my skincare for today, so I'm going to do my eyes first, and I'm going to use a few new things that I have got. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, which is like super amazing. I have the shade Fair number 5. I got this ColourPop You Had Me at Hello. I might go for some of that. I'm not sure whether to add some colour or just, let's just go kind of semi-natural today. So I'll maybe go for my brows first of all actually. So I've had a kind of new-ish brow routine, so I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Auburn. Morphe G29 brush, which is a little angled type of brush here. I was laughing last week. I had gone out the house and I had done my eyebrows and they did not look even similar to one another, and I had been in such a rush I hadn't realised, and I was out and I was like, oh my goodness, my brows are not even close. And one of my friends says to me, it's alright, your eyebrows are meant to be sisters, not twins. And I was like, at this point in time I feel like they're not even friends. I'm going to use actually my eyeshadow palette that I'll be doing my eyes with today, the You Had Me at Hello. I'm going to take my Morphe G28 brush, which is just a totally kind of flat top brush. Into this eyeshadow I am going to use this shade down the bottom, which is called Pulling String. This shade here, which is called Fool's Rush, this middle one to use, and I'm going to go right along the top of my lid and build that up gently. I'm focusing more on the outside here and bringing it in, just back and forth, into the outer section here. Go from to about halfway down my lids there. Purplish type shade, which is called FBO, on the same brush, and in at the crease on the very outer edge here and onto the lid, kind of outer V type area. I'm just giving my brush a wee rub off with my colour switch here. And give all that a wee blend in. Kind of deepens up that outer area, and I've got the excess off my brush. I am going to use my ColourPop concealer again, a little concealer brush, not quite a full cut crease but just a kind of half inner type area here. And what I found, if you have a bit of a hooded eye, if you just put it along here and then look up, you'll get a bit of a mark of where you should go. My finger back onto this shade here, Candygram, and dab that on while that concealer is still slightly wet before it dries right in. And with this kind of shade Full Rush, I'm going to grab a bit on here. I'm literally just going to tap over the middle of that lilac-y shade and the shimmer shade we've just applied, just to give a wee bit of a blend in the middle here. So it's not a harsh line, we have a bit more of a nice transition between the two shades rather than just a line. What you can do is just grab a wee brush there and just dunk into this purpley shade. I'm going to use a bit of that pinker shade again, the lighter one. And just go over slightly. That purple. Basically, I'm going to do the same underneath, so going with the shade Full Rush here. And then with the purple shade I'm only bringing to about halfway, is go for a little bit of this brown that I've actually put in the brows on the very outer corner of my lower lash line. I have the Physicians Formula Lash Enhancing Eyeliner Serum, I believe it's called. Pima Lash lashes. These Revlon Lash Adhesive, and I'll hold lashes all day long. So I have some Super Shock Cheek Satin in the shade Peanut by ColourPop. I think what I'm actually going to use is the Pixie Beauty with Aspen Ovard collab. I'm going to use the London Luster Glowy powder as a highlight. This is quite dark actually, but the Milani Press powder in the shade Pecan. My Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the shade Plum Rose. And I'm going to use the same brush that I just used with that bronzer. And I'm going to go over it. Oh, this stuff smells incredible. So the kind of bronzy warm shade that we had there, and then going over that with this kind of plum shade, cools it slightly. Okay, I think I'm going to just be like super duper blonde today. And voila, this would be the finished look for today. And I am a blondie. Mwah. Thanks guys for tuning in. Bye!